Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. Why are people buying this line trimmer on eBay for $189 when they could just go to Bunnings and buy it for only $119? That's $70 less, or just under 60% markup. Or purchase this trampoline on eBay for $94.50 when again they could just go to Kmart and purchase it for only $45. This week's quick video is Dropshipping Explained, but before I get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff ad-free channel that puts out weekly videos teaching step by step how anyone can build a 7-digit online business from their home using eBay and Amazon and using less than $100. So first of all, just so we're on the same page, the term dropshipping means selling an item, and then after you've sold the item and the customer has paid you, you then order it from your supplier, and your supplier ships the item direct to your customer. You never see or touch the item with dropshipping. Your supplier does all the hard work for you of warehousing the inventory for you, ordering inventory from manufacturers, financing the inventory until it sells, and then packing and shipping the inventory direct to your customers. In the industry, dropshipping is also called virtual inventory. With dropshipping, you're always cash flow positive as you get paid first. So the question is, why do people pay higher prices on marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, Gumtree, Facebook marketplaces, and websites like Shopify stores, etc., when they could just go and purchase the items cheaper from dropship suppliers? The answer is some people do. Some people do the research and find the cheapest source of the product, however, others don't. Bottom line is, humans are creatures of habit. Some people will spend the time researching to find the lowest prices. Other times, they'll just log onto their favourite marketplace like eBay, Amazon, Facebook marketplaces, etc., and then find the item that they want, and then they hit the buy button. And there's also several different personality types. Some personality types like to do research, others don't. Note though that I'm not recommending that you use Kmart or Bunnings as your dropship suppliers. In fact, I've been saying for many years not to use Kmart as a supplier, as Kmart puts their branding on their boxes, which can create what is known in the industry as buyer confusion. If you also want to see the top 10 niches for dropshipping, with one item selling over 400,000 times by one eBay seller, make sure you check out this video up here. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next week, stay safe, live more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.